Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to make Linux Mint instantly faster by turning off system animations. This instantly strips away rendering lag, forcing windows and menus to snap open frame instantly while clearing up valuable processing power on your computer. Open your system menu by clicking the Linux Mint logo in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Type Effects into the search bar and click the Effects icon to launch it. You can toggle the master switch next to Desktop and Window Effects to Off to completely freeze all animations. Alternatively, keep the master switch on and click the drop-down menus next to specific triggers like Closing Windows or Minimizing Windows. Select None or Fade from those specific drop-down choices to instantly accelerate those particular window transitions. If you want to keep the effects but speed them up, look at the bottom and drag the window animation speed slider closer to faster. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.